Hi, I'm Alex from ICT 302, PT03, Group 3. And I'm here to demonstrate how uh, our system, Appointmate, will work. So, firstly, I will go uh, through the three different roles uh, that's present on Appointmate. Notably, the administrator role or the administrator accounts, the lecturer role or the lecturer accounts, and finally the student role or the student accounts. So let's go through the administrator role first. So firstly, once you are in this Appointmate website, uh, you can click login, and then you'll need to log in with an administrator account like this account over here. This account is located, the details to this account is also located inside the final submission document as a administrator account, and then you can access this account using the details inside there. So once you log in, you'll be taken to this Appointmate dashboard. This dashboard can also be accessed if you use the Hostinger credentials and log in through Hostinger, and you click admin panel over here under websites. Uh, yeah. One thing to take note is under websites, once you click manage, you can also access the database from here. So that you can as an admin account, you can edit the users, page 2 WP users, if you want to manually add in any extra users from the database instead of using the WordPress dashboard. So back to the WordPress dashboard. As an admin account, you can add and remove new users, and you can change the permissions of existing users as well. So uh, in a scenario that you want to have a student become a teaching assistant, and you want that student to have permissions to schedule meetings with other students, you can change the permissions of that students to give them access to be able to schedule meetings with other students. So firstly, you'll have to go to user, and under here you'll contain the details of every account on Appointmate so far, so you can look through every single user. So let's say you want this student account, Alex, to have privileges to be able to schedule meetings with other students. So under role here, you can choose configure or organizer. This will enable this account to be able to schedule meetings with other students. Also, if you want to add new accounts, you can add them through here, through add new user, and then you'll have to register the account for them. Registering the account will automatically create a student number for that account, and you can check that through the database. So an ID will automatically be created, and you will know that student's ID. So that's for administrator account, and also administrator account will also be able to schedule meetings with students. So that's for the administrative role. So let's move on to a lecturer role. So this time I'll be specifically using a lecturer's account. So this will be a lecturer's account. The details for this lecturer will also be located inside the final document under section 2 user documentation software, the user manual, and 2.2 credentials for testing. So once we log in into this account, you will click upload new meeting. So if you want to schedule a meeting for their students, you have to download a template. So in the interest of time, to save time, because this system does take time for uh, them to send out the automated emails to the students. So uh, uh, it will happen in around 5 to 10 minutes, and if we I have prepared beforehand, so we don't need to wait for that time. So once you download the template and open it, it'll look something like that with format instructions for the user to follow. So you'll put down the ID of the students that you want to schedule a meeting for over here. And again, the ID, as a lecturer, I assume that the lecturer will know the student ID of the students that they want to schedule, but if not, it can always be checked in the database. So in this case, I'll be scheduling a meeting with ID 20, student A. So next, I'll put the dates of the meetings I want that I'm available for the students to select, and the timings. Currently, there's a limitation of 4 different timings per date only. But yeah, that's one of our limitations for now. But also, not to worry if there are multiple students that the invitation has been sent out to. Every time a student selects one timing, that timing will be taken out of the booking table, so the other students cannot book the same timing, so there won't be a double booking. So once you have filled up this CSV file, you will choose this file and upload it, and choose the file and click upload CSV. You'll then be shown a confirmation page. So for now, let's do this, and you'll see a confirmation page like this. CSV file has been successfully uploaded. So once you then as a student, you will receive your email notification, event booking notification, that a meeting has been scheduled for you. So then you will click the link, and you'll arrive at a login page. Typically a login page, but I have already logged in. So once you log in, you will be brought to here, book your event timing. So once you choose any of this timing, let's say I'm comfortable with 2 p.m. on the 4th of April. I'll book this timing. Sorry, I mean on the 4th of January. And then that timing will disappear from here. So once the timing is booked, the lecturer will then will be able to view calendar and see that they have a timing booked for them here. Student A, 2 p.m. booked at which venue. And if the lecturer wants, so they can download and print out a report. And this report will contain the details of the timing that the student have booked. Student A, booked, available. Yeah, so that's the end of the demonstration. Thank you.